Suraj wanted Uttara to die with the first bite of the snake. As he failed in executing his plan using a viper, he approached Chavarukava Suresh to get a highly poisonous cobra. Suresh thus gave a highly venomous cobra that was hatching its eggs to Suraj. To increase its aggressiveness, he avoided giving food to the cobra for a week. He started to stay awake late nights to learn the ways of killing a human being using a snake and watched several YouTube videos. Suraj, who got Suresh's phone number from a site, contacted him on February 12, 2020. Further, he invited him to his house at Parakod in Adur to get a counseling class on how to tame snakes. For this, he fabricated a story as well. He informed Suresh that he was not able to go ahead with his fish culture as snakes are very common in his area. Along with it, he asked for a viper that was highly venomous. Thus, Suresh handed over a viper for 5,000 rupees. As Suraj learned to tame the snake, he tried executing his plans for the first time on February 29. He left the viper at the landing area on the first floor of his house and kept his phone adjacent to it. Then tactically came to Uttara, telling that he forgot his phone. As Uttara went to pick the phone, she spotted the snake at the staircase and ran away. Suraj hid the viper after this. But he was not ready to drop the plan. On March 2nd, he tried for the second time. He mixed sleeping pills in a juice and made her drink. Uttara, who was fast asleep, didn't notice the viper that was left near her. To bite her quickly, Suraj hit the snake with a cane. Uttara realized that she was bitten much later. In between, Suraj picked the viper using a stick and threw it away. For another 56 days, Uttara was under medication, after which she came back to her house in Anjal. As Suraj failed in both the attempts, he tried to rework his plans. He decided to put the cobra that he brought from Suresh on her body the next time. After making sure that the snake bit her on her left palm, he stayed with her in the same room until morning. It was her mother who noticed that she was lying unconscious. Uttara's murder case turned to be the first case in Kerala that was executed using a snake. It was the fourth case in the country, as a result of which this case was included in the IPS officer's syllabus. All these cases had a common factor as they were all executed by close relatives. Before Suraj killed his wife Uttara, similar cases took place in Nagpur, Pune and Rajasthan. In the first two cases, the accused were not punished. 3 people, including daughter-in-law and her lover, were behind the murder of Subodha Devi, a homemaker who was killed in the same way in Rajasthan. The hearing is still going on in this case. In Nagpur, 5 people, including their youngest son, were involved in killing an old couple. They were 84 and 78 respectively. In Pune, Tambuji Sitaram Badle, aged 40, was also killed in the same way in the presence of his wife. But doubts were raised only after 3 years of his death. Wife was also among the accused, whereas the snake was not identified. News Desk, Kaumudi Global.